If I had to say the main difference between level 1 and 2 workshop and level 3 is level 1 teaches you to work on the physical, mental, emotional symptoms and issues that plague you and your clients by following them to the events that planted the seed. You learn to work on the events that gave rise to the symptom, gave rise to the emotion, gave rise to the belief. You learn trauma techniques to work on it if it's not safe to work on those moments in a typical way. You also get to work on goals, where you work on the resistance to those goals by following them to the events where the resistance lives and breathes and sabotages you. You learn different closing techniques, how to close a session when we've opened a can of worms at the end. In level 3, we move beyond following surface issues to events and then closing up and integrating to working with the parts of self activated in those moments. Really looking at what are they trying to get out of being here? We're not just working on a moment of anxiety. We're saying, what's my anxiety trying to say here? What's it trying to do? And until we get to know what it has for us, it will keep coming up. I was told that if I just get to the core trauma, the earliest or worst moment, and work on it, my anxiety would go away. That was not true for me. It wasn't until I learned to work on those moments and regulate, expand my nervous system, but then say, hey, anxious side, how old are you? Are you even my voice or someone else's? Is this my story or not? And talk to them, find out their intent, and find out how I can give them a new job role, because they're not going anywhere. Level 3 is where we learn that our patterns aren't going anywhere until we honor their intention and let them be in our car, just in the back seat, and help them drive where they want to go in a way that works for us. That is the biggest difference between level 2 and level 3 is instead of working on the events, we work with the parts of ourselves that are alive, active, and well, and honor them and what they need to move forward with us instead of against us. I just got an e-bike. So an e-bike, I used to think that an e-bike you just turn on and it drives for you. It's not. An e-bike is as much as you pedal, it pedals. It's almost like a savings matching. Like if my son saves $5, I give him $5. If I pedal 5 miles per hour, my bike will help pedal and we'll go 10 miles per hour. Level 3 is where we work with the parts, our inner motor, so that when we're moving forward towards a goal, they're moving with us versus when we don't have parts and inner child work and we don't have inner alignment and integration and consent, it's as if I have a toe on the back of my bike and flat tires. So that's the biggest difference between level 1, 2, and 3 is we move into the parts and the inner child and we create inner consent, which is a very big deal for me. We don't just say, I'm going to tap this away because I want to, and because, yeah, my higher self would totally want me to reach this goal. No, we make sure we get consent from all parts of us, past, present, future, and inherited. We also move into energy psychology. So we move beyond just the body into the spiritual realm, and spiritual just means, not religious, spiritual just means anything that is outside of our control. So how do we work on things outside of our control? There's no events there. We have to learn different surrender and spiritual techniques. I hope that this brings you clarity, and level 3 is my baby.